Hello, babe. Why are you home so early today?
Hi, it's not early anymore, honey. Look at the clock.
Oh, it's 6:30 already. I'm sorry. My watch is just broken. For some reason, it stopped working. I thought it was just 5 o'clock now.
Let me look at it. Oh, maybe the battery is dead.
Can you help me change it to a new one? I put the battery in a drawer under the closet.
Okay. By the way, where have you been?
I just went shopping for some necessary things. We will need them for our trip.
Trip? What trip?
The winter trip. Are you kidding me? You forgot it? We have a trip at the end of this month.
I'm joking with you, darling. How could I forget our wedding anniversary? More than that, you keep talking about a trip almost every day. I know that you're overly excited about it.
Alright, I bought us 2 new coats, some mint, and a warm, cozy scarf. I hope you like it. I chose your favorite color, green mint.
Fantastic! It really suits me. Thank you, babe. You're always thoughtful.
Alright, I just called Stephanie this morning and she said we could stay in her house during the trip so we can save the money for renting accommodation.
Stephanie? Your cousin?
Yeah, she came to our wedding, the one who drank a lot and almost fell off into the pool.
I remember her. You know what? I have another plan.
What is the plan?
We are going to stay in the Ice Hotel.
Ice Hotel?
Yeah, this sounds interesting to you. I've always wanted to try it. Now is a good chance. Please, Angela.
Where is the hotel then?
It's in Quebec, Canada. There's another one in Sweden. But of course, we'll pick the one in Canada.
Can you show me the pictures? I never heard about it before.
Later, babe. We need to prepare dinner. I'm starving.
Okay.
Look, Angela, these are the pictures of the hotel that I mentioned. What do you think?
Wow, it is entirely made of ice and snow. It looks so nice. How do you know about it?
I joined a Facebook group for tourists who are planning to visit Canada, and I saw a post about this hotel.
Tell me about it.
Well, what do you want to know?
I'm very curious about how they build this hotel in the summer.
They can't. In fact, the hotel is built every December and then it melts in the summer.
Oh, is it too cold to stay?
The temperature inside the hotel is always between -2 and -5 degrees Celsius.
Oh my goodness! I think I'm going to be frozen.
It's okay, Angela. The temperatures outside is not much higher. Just make sure that you are wearing a warm coat, then everything will be alright.
How big is the hotel?
It's about 6,000 square meters. The hotel is built with 32 rooms, which is enough for 80 people to stay each night.
Is it far from the city center? Because I want to visit the cinema, shop, and just as well.
Don't you worry about that. The hotel has a movie theater, an art gallery, and a church. You can pray as much as you want. It's a fun fact that some couples have been married in that church. What an original wedding.
Really? It is wonderful. Can I see the pictures of the church?
Yeah, I have many pictures of it here. You can check it out for yourself.
Wow, its design is outstanding, just like Elsa Castle.
Did you notice that each year they have a new theme for the ice sculpture they have made there?
Yeah, I can see it. So creative, Chris. I think we'll book a room here. How about the art gallery? What does it have?
There is an art exhibition with ever-changing art made of ice and snow. I'm sure that you will love the ephemeral art there.
You can say it again. Let me guess. All the furniture inside the hotel is made of snow too. Am I right?
Bingo! You got it right. Even the lights, the plates, and the drinking closet are made of ice. The designer ice dishes will be used for both drinking and eating. Does it sound strange?
Yeah, it does. But I don't know if we can sleep well at night in that cold weather.
It's not a big problem. The hotel provides us with a sleeping bag and some fur blankets. It will keep you cozy and warm until the morning.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I read on the website that nobody has ever complained about the sleeping appearance. In contrast, they said it was a memorable trip ever, and they would come back for a second time.
Do they have a fireplace in the room?
I don't know about that. Let me check it. Oh yeah, they have it too. See, they said the fireplace is equipped in each room.
How about the price?
Not too expensive, about $150 per night.
How long will we stay here? Do you think about it?
Actually, I'm planning to stay there for just one night, and then we'll move out and rent another room in a different hotel.
Why?
Honestly, it's quite uncomfortable to stay there for a long time. It just had one bathroom for all the guests.
Oh my, that's so inconvenient if all the guests are allowed to use the same bathroom. I don't like it at all.
So do I. That's why I recommend that we book a room for one night and then we will move out the next morning.
So, where will we stay for the rest of the trip?
I'm working on it, maybe any hotel in the center of the city.
Why don't we stay at my cousin's house then?
Is it a good idea? I don't want to bother her and her family.
No, she's very close to me. Actually, she's the one who suggested us to stay with her. We haven't seen each other for almost a year.
Angela, this trip is about us, not about you and your cousin.
Oh, I'm sorry if I forced you to do something that you didn't want.
We can come over to visit her and you guys can spend the whole day going shopping, cooking, or dancing. Anything you want, honey. But I don't think we should stay overnight.
I just texted her about the ice hotel. She said that she wants to experience it too. Can she stay with us in the hotel, darling?
Really, Angela? You don't understand what I mean?
No, I don't see any problem.
Fine, forget about it. We'll not stay in the ice hotel.
Why? Why are you mad at me? Hey, stop! Where are you going? Chris, talk to me!